Okay, hello everyone. Good morning. Maria Banga here. Maria Banga, your psychotherapist, chiming in from Douala, Cameroon. Today is the sixth day of my 2 week spiritual retreat, and yes, I have been instructed to vlog about it every day, and Saturdays and Sundays are not exempted. I went for a 1 hour plus walk this morning. I really needed it. I had a la week, and I will still have a busy weekend, so I need all the energy I can get, and I tap some energy from my workouts, and I have to also dance daily, so I did some dancing too. And today is all about validation. That's the sub theme for today, and there were some questions that were prompted, and I put them down there. But if I think keenly, the first question was, what do you think about validation, and what does it mean to you, right? And if there's no validation, what happens? I think so. And the second one was, do you have any right to validate someone, and what happens? And can you put a pause on somebody's life by not validating them? And the third one is, has anybody got any right to validate you, and can they put a pause on your life if they don't validate you? And the fourth one is, maybe I don't remember the order, or if this is how it was, but something like, what have you learned, or what does it mean, or should it mean something, stuff like that. Anyway, so what I do, fortunately I don't have to share that with the world. What I do is I do reflect, and very honestly, and this one was also a tough one, just like rejection was, and just like acceptance. I think that the first week so far, the questions and the sub teams and all of that have been really thought provoking. I didn't even know it was going to be this way, right? Each of my spiritual exercises and retreats just pop up and then just flow in the direction they want to flow. And sometimes, of course, most of the times people don't get it, and sometimes people are like, oh, you're showing off, trying to share it or put it out there and all of that. I wish they knew. But anyway, you get to a point in life where you don't need people to validate your choices, right? You don't need people to validate you, and that's where I am. So for me, it's like, whatever. I just got on some lightness this morning, and I told people, generally, I mean, you can unfollow, you can unfriend. That's a click away. You don't even need to talk about it. You don't need to make like you are doing me a favor by being my friend on Facebook. I seriously cannot even remember when I accepted some of those friend requests, and I think it's just because my things are public. So once you make any of those kind of demeaning comments or whatsoever, I just block you, and all of this, why I ignore you. Yeah, I don't need your validation. Even in my personal life right now, I don't, not only do I not have a significant order, you know what I mean, like there might be many floating around, but there's no significant one, like committed one. But I'm not going to be waiting for anyone's validation, and I don't expect anyone to wait for my validation. And I don't validate my children in the sense that if I don't do it, then they stop living. And I've always taught them that, when you know your worth, you don't go chasing validation, and your life is not put on pause, even if it's professionally, anywhere. And so my hope is that anybody who listens to this or reads what I will share sometimes might really think about validation and the role validation plays in their life, and if they have any power to validate someone, and if they don't do it, what happens, and all of that. So that's what I wanted to share today. It's Saturday. Well, happy weekend. And my brain still kind of kicked back into sleeping 9 a.m. to 3 a.m. and I think that I deserve like an hour and a half more. So I'll be going back to bed now later on, kind. So this is almost 5 minutes, and I'm home alone with my son and stuff. So let me try to focus some and then do what I have to do, right? And of course, validate my own self in the process. Okay, everybody, until tomorrow. God bless us all.